Hi! In front of me is Motorola Edge 30 Neo, and today I would like to show you how you can use split screen on this Motorola. First of all, select an app like Settings and click on this square button. Now you need to tap on the icon of your app and tap on Split Screen feature. Then you can select one of your apps from the background by clicking on the chosen one, or click on Home button and pick any other one. I will go with Play Store. As you can see now, I can use both at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, you can always do that by dragging the first app upwards or downwards and selecting Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!